Miranda Flores remembers well meeting her husband.
We met at the Capitol. He was a CHP officer there. I was in security there, and we just kind of would talk.
And she remembers the day she last saw her husband, Patrick Mulderig, in vivid detail. It was May of 2024. Mulderig, a retired CHP officer and avid biker, went to visit his nephew in the hospital.
Well, looking back, I had texted him around 7:30 just to say, hey, I haven't heard an update. You know, I hope Austin's doing well. You know, let me know. And he didn't write back.
According to a police report, Mulderig was driving on Douglas Boulevard in Granite Bay when a Cadillac, driven by prominent Sacramento businessman Phil Oates, turned left in front of him. A neighbor took Flores to the hospital.
And you hear the commotion, you hear the sirens going off, and you see all the medical personnel going in. And, you know, part of you hopes it knows someone else that it's not the truth.
Mulderig died at the hospital as a result of the accident. Oates was not under the influence of any drug or alcohol at the time of the crash, but the investigating officer did refer the case to the district attorney for a possible citation and manslaughter charges. But the DA ultimately decided not to file a case.
It wasn't an accident. It was a bad crash because for whatever reason, he elected to put his life at risk by making that left-hand turn.
Attorney Roger Dreyer says the lack of prosecution led them to file the lawsuit this week.
You know, who's above the law? Well, he should have been cited, he should have been prosecuted, and then they can make a decision as to what's the prudent and appropriate punishment for him. The civil case is different. And that's why we have civil justice system.
In a statement to KCRA, the district attorney's office said after reviewing the facts and evidence in the case, the district attorney's office declined to file criminal charges. Although the case was referred to this office to consider misdemeanor manslaughter charges, the investigation produced insufficient evidence that Mr. Mulderig's death was the product of a criminal act.
KCRA reached out to Phil Oates for comment on the lawsuit, and late today we received a statement from Phil Oates' attorney saying, quote, Mr. Oates is deeply saddened by the passing of the other driver in the accident. He trusts that the court system will reach a just result.